Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and navigating straight to Lock Screen or Security. This is where emergency options live. You must authenticate with PIN or biometrics to make changes, so do that now. Once authenticated, look for Emergency Info, Emergency SOS, or similar. Manufacturers name it differently. You're doing this so first responders can access critical details without unlocking your phone. Make sure to pause if you don't see the option. Some phones keep it under Health or Safety instead. Now you add the actual data. Tap Emergency Info and enter your name, medical notes, allergies, and blood type so responders get context fast. Next, add one or more emergency contacts and verify their phone numbers, including country code if needed, because accuracy matters under stress. Then enable the toggle labeled Show when locked, View when locked, or similar. This publishes the data to the lock screen. Once done, test it by locking the phone and using the emergency shortcut to confirm visibility. Finish by enabling the emergency SOS shortcut. Turn on the power button rapid press trigger or dedicated lock screen call emergency option so you can place a call without unlocking. Practice the trigger method once or twice to build muscle memory and confirm the call actually connects to emergency services in your region. If it doesn't work, make sure the phone app has necessary permissions, verify region settings, and install any OS updates. These commonly fix shortcut or connectivity problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.